Now, this endogenous pathway is almost the same with pentose phosphate pathway. Most microorganisms prefer to use the glycolytic pathway, also known as the Embryomous pathway, to you know catabolize glucose. But however, there are some microbes such as Pseudomonas, Azobacter, Rhizobium agrobacterium that uses the endogenous pathway to metabolize glucose to give you pyruvate. Now it starts with the same pathway as the pentose phosphate pathway, whereby glucose 6-phosphate is converted to 6-phosphogluconate by the enzyme glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase with the release of NADPH. Now this 6-phosphogluconate will be dehydrated. When we say dehydration, removal of what? Water.
Water.
By 6-phosphogluconase dehydratase to give you what? 2-keto-3-deoxy-6-phosphogluconate, also known as keto deoxyphosphogluconate, or you call it KDPG. Now, this KDPG we are talking about will be cleaved or splitted by the enzyme KDPG aldolase into what? Pyruvate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Now, this glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate will now follow the glycolytic pathway to give what? Pyruvate. How to do that? Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate will be converted to what? 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate by the enzyme glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase. Now this 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate will further be converted to 3-phospho what? Glycerate by the enzyme phosphoglycerate kinase. Now in this part of the pathway, there is formation of ATP because the phosphate group present at the first carbon atom of this bisphosphoglycerate is transferred to ADP to phosphorylate it to give you what? ATP. And that's why we call it first substrate level phosphorylation. Now this 3-phosphoglycerate will further be converted to 2-phosphoglycerate by an enzyme called phosphoglycerate mutase. Now the phosphoglycerate mutase, what does it do? It shifts the position of the phosphate group from the third carbon atom to the second carbon atom. Then from the 2-phosphoglycerate, there is another dehydration whereby enolase will catalyze the dehydration of 2-phosphoglycerate to give you phosphoenol pyruvate. Now phosphoenol pyruvate will further be phosphorylated by pyruvate kinase to yield another ATP, this second substrate level phosphate to give you what? Pyruvate. So this is the endogenous pathway. This pathway yields one NADPH, one NADH, and 2 ATPs. So the soil microbes that make use of this pathway are the likes of Pseudomonas, Azotobacter, Rhizobium agrobacterium, and some few gram-positive bacteria, of which Enterococcus faecalis is an exception. All right. Thank you.